Hello. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. I hope you are doing well today. I am doing fine. Thank you so much for asking. Well, let's get it out the way. You know what time this is. To my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Welcome to our family. Well, before we get started, I just like to say I appreciate you all. I really do, for stopping by and checking out my videos. We are continuing our series on embeds, and today I am going to show you the cold process method. So let's get into this video. Come on. So let's begin. In my bowl, I have Canola Oil, olive oil. Of course, I use distilled water with the lye. I have vitamin E, glycerin, and tea tree essential oil, just a little bit. I'm going to put in some lemongrass essential oil as well. The colors that I'm using are, I have a matte teal mica. I have a neon orange, your glad powder, pigment powder. I have bath bomb blue powder colorant. And I also have bath bomb red powder colorant. And the mold we are going to use for our embeds today, we are going to use the Artisan mold. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Absolutely. Look at that. So let's get into it. Let's go. We're going to start right off. Make sure you're using gloves because we messing with lye, right? Absolutely. Make sure you can see everything. That's important, and everything else can be out your way. I have my trusty chopstick ready to go, okay? We're just going to let that fall down. No problems. We're not going to mess with it much. You know, you be very careful, and I take that directly to the sink. And I'm back. You can give it a little stir without even putting the stick blender in. Okay? And we're not going to post this for long because we need to get it inside of our cups so we can make our different colors. I'm telling you, I'm not going to do it long. Yeah. We need it to be in the cups a little longer so we can mix our colors. So it's very important that we keep this. So all I'm trying to do is just mix it. Let me pour in. I decided to put in a little lemongrass. Essential oil, and then we're gonna mix this in. I don't even think I'm gonna use a stick blender no more. Nope, I'm not. See that? Perfect. That's the way you want it. You don't want it to go no further than this. No further. Okay, the rest can be done with your hands. You see how fluid it is? It's not even that trace. I'm just making sure that the essential oil is incorporated inside of it. Okay, it is. See that? All right, we're not at any trace, and that's perfect. Like I said, so we have the blue. We're going to start pouring in. I have my teal. I have my coral here. And all I'm going to do is just give everybody a little bit. Okay? All right, there's my red right there. Can't do a puzzle piece without red. What's Glennceria Loving Hands' favorite color? Can somebody comment down below and tell me what's my favorite color? Do you know my Glennceria Loving Hands' favorite color? Comment down below if you know it. Comment down below. I got something I'm thinking about working on. It's a great surprise for y'all. I can't talk about it right now, but believe me, I think you're going to be surprised. I think you will be. What's the quote of the day? The quote of the day is the early bird gets what? Gets the donut. Do the early bird gets the donut? Are they fresher first thing in the morning? What do you think? What donut, what's your favorite donut? You tell me your favorite donut, I'll tell you my favorite donut. Yep, and see, all we doing is just mixing them in, guys. Mixing them in. I won't bore you. I'll come right back once they all mixed in, okay? All right, and we're back. I'm putting my gloves back on. All colors are mixed in, so let's get into this Artisan mold here, and let's get to it, okay? You can pick any colors you choose, and what way you're going to put it in. That's up to you. So right now, I'm going to start with my Bath Bomb Blue. And all I'm doing is just putting it in one little area. They don't have to be in the same area. This is, you know, your mold, your embed. You do it the way you want to do it. And you're just putting a little bit. But you'll see what happens. And just pour that in. I don't care where you pour it at. Just pour it in. You want the colors to mix together, okay? That's the object of this. You want it to mix together. And I missed one with the blue. Definitely have to have blue with autism. Okay? Now I know you're looking at my soap base and saying, wow, that's very loose. But I want it loose. Look at, we have things to do. You have to work. So you don't want something that's going to thicken up real quick. Even that's thickening up, see? And you continue this until you go all the way down the line to as many colors that you want to put in it, okay? It's up to you. It's your soap. Now I'm just putting it on top. Wherever it falls, that's where it's falling. There you go. Okay. This is a green. And see, you just fill. Just putting them in places, that's all. Beautiful. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. And you see what I'm doing, right? Just hitting in a spot. I can go back here, like in this area up here. This one's done. Okay, I'll come back when they're done. You see that? Look how beautiful that is. And this is done with cold process, so you know you have to armor up, wear your gloves and things. Be very careful. This is not the melt and pour. This is the stuff that can burn you, so you be very careful, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to do this, and you're like, wow, that's going to be a big embed. No, you don't have to fill it all the way. Another trick, right? Another tip from Glennceria Loving Hands. So watch this. Let me start here. And all you do is just maybe do the bottom, and that's it. Is it a kind of tedious? Yup. And I'm just covering just the bottom, and then stop. Then come with your next color and do the same thing. Just put it on top of that one. And you can even wait for that to set up. It's up to you what you want to do. I'm not going to wait, as you can see. See that? Come here, cover some over here. That way you'll have different colors at the bottom. Come back here. Maybe give that one more, and that's it. Topping them up just a little. And I'm not going all the way to the top because I don't want them that big. You still have to remember, these are embeds. You don't want them big. Unless you want them, you know. And see, now we can make some soaps now. And now we got pretty embeds to put in our soaps, right? Absolutely. Something different. I can't wait to see what they look like. All right, guys, I'll bring you right back once we're done, okay? For today, isn't that beautiful? And all I did was take my chopstick. You can take it and just make a little swirl. Just make swirls if you like. Or you can just leave them layered as we was doing them, okay? That's up to you, your prerogative, okay? Let me just pull you up. Now I'm gonna say, let's come back. Let me just pull you up so you can see me. There I am, here I am. Hello, guys. Thank you so much for coming over today. So today we made the cold process method. You made the melt and pour no sweat clear and the melt and pour basic white soap. And we did our embeds with that. Today we made the cold process and we also added some essential oil. Will be what? Unmolding, talking more in depth, and then seeing what we're gonna come up with to use our embeds with. Okay, have a good day. Love you so much. Let me take my gloves off so I can give you some kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you. Have a great day. And remember, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload videos, which are Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye for now.